Welcome to HVAC Official Channel. Today, I will explain one of the most important topics. What is HVAC? Whether you are a beginner, a student, or a new technician, this video will make everything clear and easy to understand. What does HVAC stand for? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It is a technology used to control the temperature, humidity, and air quality inside buildings. Why HVAC is important? HVAC systems keep homes comfortable, offices productive, and industries safe. They maintain the right temperature, filter dust, control humidity, and provide clean, fresh air. H equals heating. Heating systems keep indoor temperature warm during winter. V equals ventilation. Ventilation removes stale air and brings in fresh air. It controls odors, smoke, dust, and keeps oxygen levels balanced. AC equals air conditioning. Air conditioning cools the air by removing heat and humidity. Split AC, window AC, VRF systems, and chillers are the most common cooling systems. How HVAC system works. HVAC works by circulating air, maintaining temperature, and filtering the air. Sensors, thermostats, compressors, fans, and ducts all work together to provide thermal comfort. Examples of HVAC systems. You can find HVAC systems in homes, offices, malls, airports, hospitals, and factories. Almost every modern building uses HVAC technology. Benefits of HVAC. HVAC provides comfort, saves energy, improves air quality, protects electronics, and supports health and safety in large buildings. This was a simple and clear explanation of HVAC. If you want more HVAC educational videos, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment which topic you want next.